Over 4,500 earthquakes hit Iceland as volcano shows sign of eruption. Large earthquake swarm that has so far seen over 4,500 quakes recorded has hit Iceland. The swarm began on the 19th of June, with thousands of small earthquakes striking near the village of Siglufjördur, in the northeast of the country. Officials at the Iceland Meteorological Office, IMO, said 3 of the earthquakes in the swarm measured above magnitude 5. The largest was on June 21, when a magnitude 5.8 hit about 18 miles from Siglufjördur. In a statement released June 23, the IMO said seismic activity is ongoing and there is a chance more earthquakes will hit the area. The swarm was felt across northern Iceland, with the IMO even getting reports as far as the capital of Reykjavik. The magnitude 5.4 and 5.6 earthquakes on June 20 appeared to trigger landslides and falling rocks near the epicenter, but events like these have taken place in the past, with steep slopes in the region.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.